Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can access Bluetooth tethering. This means that the device you connected with on the Bluetooth can have an internet from you through Bluetooth. It's simple, simply start by opening Settings. Then go on Connections. And then click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Then click on Bluetooth Tethering. And as you can see, this is where you share your phone's internet connection with other devices using Bluetooth, so simply turn it on. And now whatever device that's connected on your phone has internet, so thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.